Hey guys, it's your Ford Mustang here, and welcome back to another episode of the Camaro IROC-Z Rebuild Project series. Basically, on this episode, we are going to take a look at the first part of the sanding process that's being made to Cole's 1990 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z. So anyways, I'm gonna go let Cole explain what's going on as the time lapse progresses.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be sanding the car. Not the entire sanding process, the two fenders, two rear quarter panels, and the roof. I didn't really get much video of the roof because it was kind of hard to film. But basically what we're going to be doing is taking a DA sander, which is powered by air, and removing all the paint from the car and making sure there's a smooth surface to block sand and later put primer onto the car. So what you're seeing here is that I'm actually going back over everything but not removing any paint. So what I did with the first panel on the car that you saw before, I was actually going over everything at the beginning with 220 grit sandpaper, which is pretty fine. Not super fine, but fine enough to take paint off. But I realized it was kind of a slow process. So what I did was I moved to 120 grit, and I did everything else on the car in 120, and then went back over everything with 220 again to make sure there was a smooth surface that could be block sanded properly.
this is it for the video. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.